Okay, hello everybody. Gold pushing lower, right? Right, of course. We got the highs again here in gold. Nice move. Not only gold. Okay. Dollar and euro as well. Cable resisting, but will break hard lower to the downside. Yields ripping higher, of course. You remember my target 430. And let's check 432. Who said that? Greg said. Market listened. Okay, so will this spike to 50? Wow. Oh, I would like to sell at 60. Anyway, let's go to our usual markets, futures. Yes, I didn't short in this account. I was in another one now, but I heard some stop fills. Okay. And as usual, market starts higher, pumping higher, but I believe we're gonna have a fierce reversal. Okay, BTC unchanged. Pushing higher with strength. Okay. We are just waiting for a reversal signal to go short. I don't buy this rally. Of course, it's Nvidia driven. 4% higher. It is one conference that Nvidia is participating, organizing, something like that. What is this order failed? I forgot one order. Oh no. Okay. I will stick to the yes. Of course, the trend is higher for another high. If we don't make another, if we don't print above 50, but what to say, it's clear bull trend. Copper, I think, ripping higher again. Yes, also giving boost to the Aussie. It's all about China. China was rallying in the morning. That's why we see all commodities boosting, and it's also inflation. Okay, don't forget inflation is here. This is my scenario that I presented this morning. I know if it doesn't go up, it will go down, but at least we remain inside the predefined channel. Looks like a wedge, but if those wedges doesn't break higher, give a very big move lower, very big move and sudden, because all market is positioned for a long move, for a continuation, because this is wedge. But keep that in the back of your head. When those formations, those wedges doesn't work and break in the opposite, the move is very fierce and very big to the downside. Okay, what to do up here? You're gonna go short, you're gonna go long. I think better stay aside. We have Bank of Japan tonight. Also, Fed meeting regarding the rates on Wednesday night. And I'm gonna cover live. I don't believe Powell is gonna. All the game, it's not in Powell's speech, but it is in the dot plot. If we see any Davis or Hawkins move there, it's over. What else? Boring markets keep ripping higher. Okay, of course, this formation says to buy any dip. I don't wanna buy up here, so I will stay on the sidelines. I don't wanna short as well because I don't have any short signal price formation. USD yen, I said last week I would like to short fade the moves above 149. Here we are. Of course, tonight we are gonna have volatility, especially if Bank of Japan finally decides to break the low policy rate. To be honest, I see some reports calling for it, but I don't see this in the markets. Very strange. And gold is moving lower as we speak aggressively. Remember what I said before, I think we are getting close to break this wedge. No, it is in the 4 hours chart. We must break below 46, so we have still time. Okay, we see some selling here, rejection. We have some resistance area, also low of previous opening range lows. You see how all those confluences of resistance work together, and we give a stall here. Also in S&P, same situation. Okay, if we see a break of the opening range low, I would take the short. The short I would like to take, but not yet. Also, we see dollar pushing higher. Yields too. I prefer a slow downtrend, but depends. If we have finally decision to raise rates, we're gonna have a crash, a flash crash in the beginning, but then gradually buyers will step in. It's binary kind effect event. ORB, you see it in the description. It's in TradingView, free one. You can find it. Here we see a move lower, but still it is in buy the dips mode market. This hasn't changed and won't change so easily. Yes, RBA as well. We see it's moving Euro Aussie. Okay, Euro. Maybe Euro Aussie shorts will be the way to go if you wanna play it. And again, market's ripping higher. Hello, Alex. Let's see this consolidation now inside the opening range. I would like ideally to see a fake break above, quickly reversal lower, and then break the lower side to go short. Let me leave one sell order running. Sell stop. I'm using APEX, this is funded account. There is still promotion 80% off and same day funding. If you want, you can find the link in my description. Slow day. I believe markets won't move a lot before the Fed. Maybe we see some churning up and down, but the main move will start on Wednesday night. Same for FX, okay, except of the yen pairs. Okay, here we see again the yen weakening. Okay, another way to play the yen is using the futures. It's 6J. Okay. You can use APEX or TOPSTEP for a risk-free, in a way, trading. And I mean, okay, not today, not now, but you can log in tomorrow during the Asian session and take your positions, so you will be ready. Because you cannot hold overnight positions, you must trade same day. Also, I will add that SNB, Swiss National Bank, is having rate decision on Thursday, I think. Yes, Thursday. Okay, I see some topics signals price action now in Nasdaq. You see, we have reversal here. Ah, no, this is BTC. Like Nasdaq. Nasdaq is doing what I wanted, breaking outside of the opening range and quickly fierce reversal inside. S&P more bearish. Okay, I'm gonna go short.
Order filled.
Didn't break. Nasdaq is holding a little bit better, but we need to break below the opening range to go short. I will stay with S&P for trading for educational purposes. Probably I will get the second one triggered. Let's start covering. Let's place my covering trades. Yes, probably it will go down because I'm bearish euro. And also Swiss franc is acting as risk off. So if we have the being weighted for long for so long correction in stocks, we will see some flows into the Swiss franc. Okay, I won't increase the risk, just leave one running as we entered when we break here this low. I will just add one in my other account.
Order filled.
Okay. Bitcoin is breaking lower. Nice. Solana the beast makes the 200 support now. Okay, here we go. Break lower. But I don't see market gonna do much. Tesla gap up higher. Oh, Google 6%. What's going on here? Also GBP yen, the so-called dragon. I rarely trade the dragon. I know many of you do it. It's very volatile, but I believe it works to be in our radar due to the fact that UK Bank of England is leaning to the dovish side, while Bank of Japan leaning to the hawkish side. So this can give a big nice move if it decides to move. Also, we see this pattern. We break this uptrend we didn't make. We have one. If finally turns, we have a second lower high, sorry, and we have 3 lower lows. It's interesting. Of course, there is plenty of support at just below 118. but okay, also moving average is starting to converge to give the break. Something is moving here. On the other hand, USD Swiss franc seems to be ready to break to the upside. Of course, plenty of resistance at 88, 90, 80 area. And we have another boring session. Better trade the digital frogs and dogs. Where is Shiba? You see more volatility here. I think this is going lower again. Now we see dollar also preparing to break higher. So I think we are gonna see a move lower here, a break at least to fill our stops here, our buy orders. Yeah, we go. Now we must see some move. Quickly reverses inside opening range. Also big support from those two previous highs. Oh boy, why we get short stocks? Let's see if the Fed and Powell pulls the rug in stocks on Wednesday. I doubt, but okay, for a short period maybe he does it. He will create volatility. Okay, let's see a mini move lower now. Of course, if we break below 19, we are gonna see, okay, it's 1519, the moving average area. We are gonna see a deeper move towards 200, 5200. Boring day. To be honest, I feel a little bit groggy myself. Yes, you banked. Typically, according to our system, hasn't given a short signal, but okay. And this is also keeping S&P from moving lower too. Nasdaq with Nvidia leading. Nvidia, Google, Apple, everything is ripping higher. That's why we see 1.5% almost up in the NQ. Pressures in the S&P at least give us the feel to call it a day and go home. Come on. Yes, feel it.
Order filled.
Okay, let's cover these two. Port. No. Come on, okay, I'm gonna cover it. Market.
Order filled.
Okay guys, I think I'm gonna close the live. Or what do you want to discuss anything else? I see also small participation. Gold, I said I was looking for a short trade. I covered in the lows. Now, if we see this pattern, I don't want to see again a move above 60 for the short case. Of course, if we break above 61, 63, we're going to have an accelerated move to the upside. But we need to see also yields helping lower and dollar. It's tough call on gold up here. Oil also pushing. Ah no, bonds will resume lower, so I don't think gold, but you never know. With gold everything is possible. Better stay aside. Okay my friends, I will close the live. We made one small trade. I think market will stay in relatively small range today, Monday as well. See you all tomorrow.